Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Christy and we are in Massachusetts on this glorious weekend and it is just beautiful outside. And I forgot I was saving some sunflower seeds. So I totally forgot that I saved this beauty right here last week and it has been sitting on my picnic table and I need to harvest these seeds so I can save them for next year. Now, as sad as this looks and a little bit disgusting, this is something that I definitely need for next year because this one sunflower has literally saved my flower stand for about a few weeks now because it is a branching sunflower. And I made sure to let one of the flowers go to seed so I can save it for next year because again, it literally saved my flower stand when I didn't have any focal flowers waiting for the dahlias to bloom. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Christy. I am located in Massachusetts Zone 6A and we are in the coming up weeks where we're having our first expected frost. It is time for us to start saving seeds. So I did one on echinacea. I've been saving some Mexican sunflower seeds and I totally forgot about this little bad boy right here. So we are going to harvest some sunflower seeds. Now, what I like to do, as I mentioned before, is save one flower that I really like and let it go to seed. You will lose some of the seeds probably due to the birds that have been munching on them, but that's okay. There's plenty to go around. So I'm trying to make these seed saving videos nice and quick and simple. So once you let one go to seed, all you literally have to do is, I'm gonna move this camera down so we can show you. Hold on one second. All I do is have a paper plate and I am just going to gently crinkle the seed and you will just see some coming out. Sometimes I will use a butter knife and that will help. I was just a little bit unprepared because I totally forgot about this. I started it one day and I left it and thankfully it has not rained. So these seeds will still be good. And I only planted, I believe, 8 sunflowers, the branching variety, and I cannot even begin to describe how many blooms I was able to get. So fortunate again how well these did. So I definitely want to plant more and they are literally popping like popcorn all over the place. So I'm just going to keep going until we get most of them out. All right, and seriously, it's as simple as that. If you were to look, you can see there are a handful of seeds and you can always tell they're viable by giving them a nice little squish. And if they're firm, then they're going to be good to go. But look at how tiny these are. So I have I don't know, at least 30 to 40 seeds, if not more, that I will be saving. And how I like to save them is I purchased these little envelopes off of Amazon. They are perfect. You can see what variety. When you harvested them, I will usually just write September 2025 and I'll write just a branching sunflower because I don't know exactly the variety. And then probably under the notes, I'll write must have lifesaver for your flower stand. So then I know to plant these next year. And I started all of these, I believe back in April or May. We started them in the greenhouse in some big 4-inch pots and planted them out and they did phenomenal. So I'll definitely be doing that again next year, sticking to this variety because it helped me so much. And I hope this was very helpful, nice and quick and painless because we have a lot to do. You know, fall and the first frost is just around the corner. So we got to get to it. And if you found this helpful and you want to stay tuned for more little quick videos on how to save seeds, go ahead and click like and subscribe and hit that bell button. And I'll see y'all next time. Happy gardening. Bye.